Welcome back, friend. Take this time to pause, to let go of the burdens of the day, and to reconnect with the deep wellspring of energy within you. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position where your body feels at ease but supported. Let's take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel the air as it moves in and out, naturally and without effort. Let's spend a few moments here, breathing in deeply and fully, and releasing fully with each breath. Now, let's relax the body completely, starting at the top of your head and moving down slowly. Bring your awareness to your scalp. Breathe in, and as you exhale, feel the muscles there soften. Now focus on your forehead and the space around your eyes. With your next breath in, feel any tension melting away as you breathe out. Relax your jaw, letting it gently release as you exhale again. Now, move your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders drop, becoming heavier, releasing the weight they've been carrying. Bring your attention to your arms. Feel the relaxation flow from your shoulders, down your upper arms, your elbows, forearms, wrists, and all the way into your hands and fingertips. Breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, let your arms feel soft and light. Now, shift your focus to your chest and upper back. Breathe into this space, feeling your chest rise gently. And as you exhale, release any tightness or heaviness, allowing your breath to move freely. With the next breath, focus on your abdomen, your stomach, and lower back. As you inhale, notice how this area expands. And as you exhale, feel it soften, relaxing deeper with each breath. Now bring your attention to your hips and pelvis. Breathe in, and as you exhale, allow this area to loosen, letting go of any tension stored there. Move your awareness down into your legs, your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet. With each breath, feel your legs becoming heavy and relaxed, like they are sinking deeper into the ground beneath you. Breathe in and let go as you exhale. Finally, bring your awareness to your toes. Wiggle them gently if you like, and as you breathe out, let them relax completely. Notice the shift in your energy as your entire body rests, relaxed and at ease. Let your mind follow, releasing the day's demands. When we feel lost or misaligned with our true self, it is easy to feel depleted, like we've drifted too far from our center. But remember, revitalization is always within reach. With each breath, you can return to your source of energy, your purpose, and your inner strength. No matter how far we feel we've wandered, the path back to ourselves is always right here, waiting for us to turn inward. Now, visualize a stream of light, soft and warm, flowing down from above, just above your head. This light is your source of energy, your connection to purpose and vitality. With each breath, feel this light entering through the top of your head, filling your body with warmth, strength, and clarity. Feel it traveling through your head, neck, and shoulders, washing away any sense of fatigue or heaviness. Let it flow down through your chest and into your heart, igniting a spark of renewal. Continue to feel this light as it moves, reaching every part of your body. As it flows,
It gathers and removes any remaining tension, heaviness, or depletion. Let it fill you until every cell is glowing with this vital energy. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heart center, the place within you that connects with your purpose. With each inhale, allow yourself to feel a sense of reconnection, returning to the core of who you are. And with each exhale, let go of the noise, distractions, and burdens that have clouded your energy. As you breathe into this space, notice a word, image, or feeling that arises naturally, something that symbolizes your inner source of strength. It may be a word like hope or joy, or perhaps an image like a flowing river or an open sky. Whatever it is, let it be a reminder that you are always connected to your source, even when the world around you feels heavy. Hold this feeling, knowing that this source is always here, ready to revitalize you whenever you need it. Take a moment to sit in this energy, fully aware of how it feels to be replenished and at peace. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel the weight of your body in the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and stretch if it feels right. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring this sense of renewal with you into the present moment. Until next time, be well.